Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Plex, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and from the options select power off. When the device turns off, hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. And when you see the TCL logo, let go of the power button. Let's try that again. For some reason there we go. It turned off for no reason. As you can see, afterwards you will be redirected to the recovery mode, at which point you can also let go of the volume up. Next, using volume buttons either up or down, you can scroll up or down. I'm going to start pressing volume down and I'll select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, confirm it using your power button. Then select yes. Confirm that. And at the bottom you'll have cache wipe complete, visible pretty quickly, and also reboot system now after cache wipe has been completed will be selected by default, so press power button once more and this will now bring you back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.